More of the lexicon of Jason coming into the broader streams of our social discourse. In this case, it's the word lexicon, and noticing that the victimizers deny us a good lexicon in order to prevent us from being able to talk about what they're doing.
When we get caught up in their lexicon, that was given to us to confuse us. The bioweaponization of the what's called SARS-CoV-2 took place, funded by Anthony Fauci, in a grant in 1999. That's when the bioweapon was built. By 2002, that bioweapon had been shared as a data stream, not as a piece of matter, but as a data field. It had been shared to a number of labs around the world. Those labs were all involved in some form of gain-of-function study, and gain-of-function merely means amplification of a thing that is designed for a particular feature or set of features. And the reason why coronavirus was such an attractive thing was the spike protein, because the spike protein was seen in 1999 as a possible vaccine vector. In other words, rather than getting a shot, you'd actually get a virus, and that virus would in fact be a vaccine. This was designed as part of the HIV program. Explicitly, the grant actually was part of building a vaccine for HIV. That's where it all started in 1999. But in 1999, the weaponization of this was actually explicit in the first NIAID grant. And DARPA was involved in this, as were a bunch of other defense agencies. And specifically what was done in 1999 was human lung epithelium was targeted for the first time, because coronavirus was actually pretty innocuous to the majority of human interactions, but human lung epithelium was specifically targeted such that this would become a pathogen to the human lung. We built SARS. Humans built SARS, and US taxpayers paid for it. In 1999, we built a bioweapon. I wrote my first classified briefing on it in 2001. I actually gave the lectures on bioweapons and global security in 2003 in Bled, Slovenia. In 2004, in the Islamic Republic of Iran at the National Bioweapons Conference in Iran. This is a history record that is not new to this conversation. This was known, and we, in 2005, decided to make it a DARPA-funded initiative. 2005. I want this number to stick in your head because this number, unfortunately, was cut out of the movie. It's been cut out of a lot of things. So you're not going to have to cut it out of your brain because I'm going to give it to you right now. Anthony Fauci has spent, listen to this number, $191 billion, not 3.7 million, not 30 million, $191 billion of audited funds for the bioweaponization of viruses against humanity. And it's your money that has been spent, $191 billion. And do you think you can get any agency or oversight body or any politician to even take that investigation on, despite the fact that we have every grant recipient, every person, their address, their phone number, their laboratory? We literally have the entirety of where that money went, and not a single investigation agency in this country is willing to look. This is a bioweapons program designed to kill us. That's what it is. And it's not just designed to kill us, it's designed to kill massive numbers of the population. We do not have a virus, we have a biological weapon.
The video was quite enlightening to me, and is it possible to purchase that, or where is it available at? Because I share things like that with people.
Yeah, cool question. This is a gift from people like Judy and me and Mickey and the whole team that built it. We actually intentionally did not take funding for it. We intentionally did not commercialize it. It is available online. There is not, as you noticed, copyright statements. You didn't see that FBI warning at the beginning that says that you're not allowed to do something? Because F the FBI. Our view is really simple. Our view is really simple. This is humanity's story, which means it is open source, it's free, you move it anywhere you can, and you can get it off BitChute, you can get it off pandemicseries.com, you can get it off of Thrive the Movie. Foster Gamble put it up on thrivethemovie.com. I think it's up on that website, and it has been propagated. If you don't mind getting a lot of email spam, you can get it off of Brian Rose's London Reel. And I told you that because if you do sign up for it, you get a lot of Brian Rose, but you can watch it off of there. But this is a gift to humanity, and it is a gift that needs to be given. This is the time that this film needs to actually get re-released, because everything in here is actually now mainstream. Right? We've caught up with the story.
And that movie was aired first August 18th last year, before any of this happened. Yes, August 18th. And if you look at freedomplatform.tv/Willis on August 19th, you can see Mickey Willis go into great detail about the history and some of that wasn't told. And then if you do freedomplatform.tv/Martin, right about September 16th is when I saw it, a Thursday or so, in 2020. You can see him go into great detail and tell the stories of, how God brought us all here.